Good morning, Augustians. How are you all? I wish you all are fit and fine at your place. Today we are going to learn phonetics sounds of first letter in a word. There are so many things around us and everything has a name. And name of an object or thing is called word. Here I have this object and this object has a name. This is called book. B-U-K. Book. So in its name, B is beginning sound because its name begins with B. Book. Let's try to understand this concept with the help of some more objects. This is bat and first letter is B. Sound of B is B. B. At. Bat. This is cap and first letter in cap is C. Sound of letter C is K. K. A. P. Cap. This is cat and first letter in word cat is C. Sound of C is K. K. At. Cat. This is zip. Z. E. P. First letter is Z. Z. So first letter sound is Z. Zip. This is pig. First letter is P and sound of letter P is P. P. E. G. Pig. This is cub. First letter is C. Sound of C is K. K. A. B. Cub. This is bus. And first letter is B. B. A. S. Bus. This is fox. And first letter is F. And sound of F is F. F. Ox. Fox. This is mat. And first letter is M. Sound of M is M. M. At. Mat. This is van. First letter is V. Sound of V is V. V. A. N. Van. This is tag. And first letter is T. And sound of T is T. T. A. G. Tag. This is dam. First letter is D. D. A. M. Dam. Dear kids, do the practice of first letter sound in a word at your home.